Struggling with the content not accessible error on Roblox mobile? Don't worry, I'll walk you through how to resolve this issue on your iPhone or Android device so you can get back to enjoying your favorite games. When you encounter this issue, you'll see a lock icon next to the game you want to play. If you tap it, you'll get the message, "Content not accessible." This happens because your content maturity settings are too restricted. Here's how to fix it. Open the Roblox app on your phone and go to the home screen. From the bottom menu, tap on More. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy. Next, tap on Content Maturity. You'll see a slider here. The further left it is, the more restricted your gameplay will be. To access more games, move the slider to the right to adjust the maturity settings to a level you're comfortable with. The lock icon should now be replaced with a play button, and you can enjoy the game without any issues. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more Roblox tips and tricks. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below.